The screen on this iPhone 12 mini is cracked and need to be replaced. To replace the screen on this iPhone 12 mini, we cannot just get a new screen and install the new screen. We also need to transfer this display chip right here. Right here, I have the new screen, and let's transfer this display chip. Right now, I am removing the underfill around the chip. It is hard to do with the left hand because I'm a right-handed. Gonna add some flux. There you go. The display chip is removed. I got the new screen right here, and let's solder this chip into the new screen. Gonna put a little bit of flux. The display chip is transferred into the new screen. Let's install this new screen into the phone and let's see if everything is good. Right now I am cleaning up the old adhesive before applying the new adhesive. And the battery needs to be charged. Let's charge it for a couple minutes and turn it back on and check the screen. Alright, the iPhone is on. Let's put the passcode. There you go. The display looks good. Let's go to the settings, general, about. From here, as you can see, there's no unknown display error message. Compared to this, my old iPhone 11 that I don't bother, replacing the chip. You see this one here? I replaced the screen like a couple months ago because I broke it. Look at this one right here. Display unknown part. But I don't care. Alright, the screen is good. Let's put everything back together and the phone is fixed. Don't forget the pentalobe screw. The phone is fixed. Yay. Oh, this is just a low battery warning. Now, no display error message. Alright, fixed.